I'm very hungry.
Well, no shit. Why else would you be here?
Give me the coffee.
We don't even sell coffee.
Give me the coffee.
I said we don't.
Give me the coffee.
1 cup of dog piss, please.
All right. I know exactly where to get dog piss from.
Mr. Krabs, you have to call the police. There's a giant pumpkin out there with a fucking gun.
Boy, meat boy, did you say a pumpkin? That just gave me an idea, meat boy. We can sell that fat fuck on Craigslist and make a fortune off of him.
How the fuck are you gonna sell him on Craigslist? As I said before, he has a fucking gun.
Shut your fucking mouth, you dildo-nosed bastard. I know exactly how. Hello there. Would you like 2 free Krabby Patties with your order, meat boy?
I'm very hungry.
I'll take that as a yes, meat boy. Now we just need to wait and let the poison knock him out, meat boy.
I'm very hungry.
What the fuck? Why isn't the poison working, meat boy?
I'm very hungry.
Boy, you fat bastard. You have to pay for all of that.
I'm very hungry.
How the fuck are you still hungry after eating my whole fucking kitchen?
I'm very hungry.
Are you even paying attention to me, you fuck?
I'm very hungry.
Can you stop making so much fucking noise?
That was terrible. I'm never coming back here.
Wow, I can't believe I managed to steal this car from Mrs. Tuff, and I also managed to steal this dog piss. Wait, where is the krusty kock?